Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Unbounce landing pages. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a video into your Unbounce landing page? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a video into your Unbounce landing page anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business like affiliate marketing, you know it's important to have a high converting landing page, and by having a video there, it can help with the conversion. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Unbounce account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. Now, before you go any further, I want to let you know that you're going to need the HTML embed code for the video. And usually you can get that from YouTube or from housing your videos on Vimeo. Once you have that code, then we're going to be able to add the video into your Unbounce landing page. So first off, what you're going to do is on the left side, you want to make sure you click on pages. Once you do that, it's going to show all of the different landing pages that you have in Unbounce. You can see I just have these two. Now to add a video into the landing page, go ahead and click on these three dots to the right and click on edit. Okay, so once you click there, it's going to bring you to the landing page editor in Unbounce. So here's where you can make changes to your landing page. You can see I have one right here. Now, in order to add a video here on the left side, you're going to see this menu and you just want to scroll down until you see this one right here called embed video. Go ahead and grab that one and just drag it right on over to the approximate location in your landing page. So we'll just put it right here. Once you drop it, it's going to bring you to this page right here, embed a video. So this is where you're going to paste the embed code. Probably YouTube or Vimeo are two of the most popular ways to embed a video. So let me go ahead and just grab a video from my YouTube channel. Okay, guys, so here I am on YouTube and I'm just going to go ahead and grab a video from my YouTube channel. So it doesn't necessarily need to be your video. If you have maybe user generated content that's available on YouTube and the share button is here, all you're going to do is click on share and here on the left, click on embed. Once you do that, you're going to see the embed or HTML code. You're just going to go ahead and copy it and then you're done here in YouTube. And it's basically a similar process with Vimeo. So we're done here. Let me jump back over to my Unbounce account. Okay, so here we are. So all you're going to do is just go ahead and paste in the embed code and then click on save code. Okay, now you can see it appears right here. So you can see it's all in red. So that means that we're going to need to resize it within the borders. So we're going to go ahead and you can shrink it down into the size that you need it to be. And we'll just add it right there. Now, one thing you definitely want to check is how it's going to look on mobile. So down here on the right, go ahead and click on mobile. Okay, so now you can see on mobile, it's actually past the border. So we're going to need to shrink it down for the mobile version a little bit more. All right, now you can see it turns from red into black. We'll just make it a little bit bigger. Okay, that's what it looks like on mobile. Looks pretty good to me. And jump back to desktop. Okay, there we have it. So once you have the video on your Unbounce landing page as you see fit, let's go ahead and move this back over here. Okay, so that looks pretty good. And then once you're done, you want to go ahead and click on save here on the top. Okay, once you click on save, the changes take place. Now this is an unpublished landing page I have in Unbounce, so I don't have the option to publish it. I would need to go back to overview to go ahead and publish it. However, if your page is already a published page, you'll need to click on publish here for the YouTube video or the Vimeo video to show up on your landing page. So once you click publish, it's going to confirm that the page has now been published, including your video. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a video into your Unbounce landing page, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.